Are you dreaming of fresh cherry tomatoes? Growing them is easier than you think. In this video, we'll explore the best ways to cultivate luscious cherry tomatoes at home. Cherry tomatoes are popular for their sweetness and versatility. However, not everyone knows the best methods to grow them successfully. Let's unlock the secrets together. First, choose the right variety. There are many, such as Sungold and Sweet 100. Each has unique flavors and characteristics. Next, pick the perfect location. Cherry tomatoes love sunlight. Aim for a spot that gets at least 6 hours of sun daily. Now, let's talk about soil. Well-draining, nutrient-rich soil is crucial. You can mix compost or balanced fertilizer into your soil to promote healthy growth. Once your bed is ready, it's time for planting. Space your plants about 2 feet apart for proper airflow. Watering is essential, but do it correctly. Water deeply but infrequently. Aim for 1 to 2 inches of water weekly. This encourages strong root growth and prevents rot. As your plants grow, they need support. Using cages or stakes helps keep them upright and healthy. This improves airflow, reducing disease risk. Pests can be a problem. Keep an eye out for aphids and caterpillars. Use organic pest control or neem oil to combat infestations if necessary. Let's dive into fertilizing. About every 4 weeks, apply organic fertilizer to boost growth. Your plants will love the extra nourishment. Now, for harvesting. Wait until the tomatoes are vibrant and slightly soft. Gently twist to remove them from the vine. The taste is worth the wait. In summary, choose the right variety, optimize location, prepare quality soil, water wisely, provide support, manage pests, and fertilize regularly. These steps lead to a bountiful cherry tomato harvest. Ready to start your cherry tomato journey? Subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks, and leave a comment if you have questions. Happy gardening!